Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. So Ivan here with the black Mero just turned it into a yellow Mero. So, no, I'm just kidding. He sold the black one.
No, I wrapped it.
He wrapped it? Wrapped it, add some stuff to it. Add a force induction kit on this thing.
Just a bigger intake.
Radiator. Look at that. Jeez. Now this thing is crazy though. Sounds good. Congratulations to my guy. Sorry for the background noise. Like, we're at a wash and freaking vacuum cleaner place. You know, people just doing their thing, getting ready for a nice day. We're about to roll out to some car event here. See some bad cars.
First one.
Yeah, first one in spring. It's still cold as hell here, as you can see. Look at this guy wearing a sweater.
Like 50 degrees.
And I haven't seen this car yet. Ivan just picked it up a few days ago. Go follow him. What's your IG, brother?
_iLoya.
_iLoya. I will put that down for you guys. So go ahead, follow this Pro Charger Camaro SS. Let's just wipe down our car real quick. Look at the damn tires though. You know.
Gotta have some
meat. Those hips though. So guess we're about to roll out. Yes, and let's hear this thing, because earlier I was riding behind him and I was like, it was crazy loud. I'm always riding behind other cars so that you guys can kind of hear what other cars would sound like, you know what I mean? So some people ask me like, why you always last? I mean, I'm slow and last, so I'm behind, but look at that shit. Yeah, boy! Give it a little hit. Wait, let it warm up a little bit, bro. Wait, pop the hood, pop the hood. Let's see what's under the hood, because this is not a regular Camaro SS. Damn, I'm seeing it with you guys right now too. Damn. Wow. This is good. It's so nice. That shit's massive, bro. That shit's crazy.
No, I did.
Hell yeah, hell yeah. I'm sure he's gonna enjoy this car. I'm excited to hear the supercharged, how it sounds like. Does it sound like a Hellcat?
Nah, this is just
sounds like a turbo, probably.
Man. This is like a
all right, give it a hit, give it a hit. That's not bad, bro. This thing's set up for E85 too, right?
No, not yet.
No, this guy got a whole meth bottle back here.
It's methanol.
He got a methanol bottle back here. Okay. Probably have a nitrous tank set up underneath the seat somewhere.
No.
Don't lie.
Nah.
Don't lie.
Can't do any of that. Look, just regular 93 with some cheap
regular
gas.
93. Yeah, I'm on pump gas too. I need crazy, but Fox, where's the hood, Fox? You lost the hood? How'd the tune go? Alright, pulled up to the spot. There's Adam, popped the hood. Dang, my guy, it's getting kind of hot back there. Type R, sexy Type R. It's pretty chilly out here, so not too much people pulled up. And we're on top of the mountain, so not much shit around here goes on anyways. It's clean. This color is sick. Look at that color. R32. Got the Americans over there. C8. It's a C8 over here. What you doing? That's it.
Staying right here. On your wood.
No, he wasn't on there. M3 for me. Just kidding. Clearing the 570S. Very sexy. Nice colored Porsche. Got the TEs on the boys. The big lane.
What's this? This is a 5 by 50114. Yeah, 50114, and then they're 17 by.
Fitment is nice. Got the classics over here. Track hawkers.
Still got your trunk space.
C8.
Yep, couple bags. Good body back here.
Shit looks good. Got the red guts inside too. These are one of the new GR86. You haven't seen them yet? Yeah. Some people are like doing some crazy shit to them. I think
Like a BRZ and a Super together.
yeah, I heard it can be pretty fast or some shit like that. This is my first time seeing one in person, like really sitting. Who car is this?
Not mine.
Shee-hee.
They don't look terrible.
No.
They don't look there. He's got a laptop in there, ready to change the boost on the go. Right, Mike?
It's got a gear. You gotta change pulley, but it's in the door.
He was like, put the pulley on real quick.
So how much will...
Everybody's starting the car, about to roll out. Time to roll out.